What do you do, baby? What do you do, baby? Back on YouTube. Your girl Wet Baby Girl Toast back with it with another video, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I go from basic bitch to body. Insta body, you know, like hot girl, anything you want to call it. And I'm going to be showing you guys tips and tricks on how I even laid my hair to how I even got my makeup to look this snatched. This video is in collaboration with VSHOWHAIR. If you like this hair and you want to purchase it for yourself, make sure you go down in the description box down below and check for the link. So if you want to know how I got this, you know, this look, sit back and relax and I'll show you how. I have to wear this turban because I don't have hair. My curls are also not the best looking right now, so don't judge me. Take this off.
Bruh. Boy, if you don't get
I use this and I use this, so I use them both. Do you see? Okay, let's get started on the makeup. What I used to blend my concealers is the Pro Airbrush Detail Corrector. See them, get into them. What I like to do is I like to conceal my eyelids. My compact powder to set it up. I'm going to leave the description of everything I use in this video just in case I forget. To contour, I use the contour palette from NYX. I just go crazy, you know. I go in with my Anastasia Beverley Hills Modern Renaissance palette, and then I go in with the shade Burnt Orange. This is an eyeshadow, but like this is just kind of what I do to just put a bit of color on my lid. Okay, so now I'm gonna be using my eyeliner from NYX. I feel like NYX is a really good brand if you're starting off with makeup. I'm gonna go in with my mascara. So I use the Better Than Sex mascara by Too Faced. Okay, so it's time to choose my lashes, and today I'm going to be using KL lashes. This is my friend's company. Go check her out. Her Instagram and her information will be down in the description box below. And this is in Heavenly. Heavenly is my fave. I just feel like it's so cool, exaggerated, and it's just bomb. Like it's just bomb. Like a baddie. I feel like I get my attitude when I apply my lashes. Like that's when I just start misbehaving. Then I'm gonna go in with the Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation. I just got this. My friend told me that it's really good, so I was like, let me see. And I'm going to be blending in everything with my Sephora foundation brush. It has a good finish, I would say. It's actually so annoying when you go match a color, then they give you the wrong color, then you go home and maybe you spend like $64 or just like a crazy amount of money, and then you're looking like this, and you look like this, you look like this.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait, first of all, you're not gonna speed past that like you didn't just say what you just said.
$4 to be looking like this. At this rate, that's the most aggravating thing about makeup. Just trying to get your right shade and everything. Like, I'm just trying to look cute, okay? Like,
oh, do you know what I mean? I just want to be me.
Like this video, you share and subscribe. I hope that you're not just watching. I hope you're actually subscribing. Put your pride aside and just subscribe. Yeah, because at the moment you're here, so just subscribe, okay? Mwah. I'm going to what? Highlight. Yeah. What I use to bake is the Laura Mercier. I'm going to go in with the NYX contour palette, and I'm going to go in with this one right here. And then for my nose, I use the NYX brush. I start from here. I'm gonna go in with my blush from MAC. It's called Sweet As Cocoa. This is kind of like, you guys can't see. come on. I'm going to take off my baking powder. I use my compact powder to bring my color back. I actually use the Fenty Galaxy palette to highlight my face because I love the glitters. As you can see, it's like almost gone, and then this, so like I mix them together. I highlight my nose, and this is my favorite part. Just put like a dot. Wow, and then just go in circular motion. Just a little on my forehead, because you know that my forehead will come into the room before me. None of that. I'm going to go in with my chestnut by MAC to line my lips, and this is the best like for brown, like if you want a brown lip liner, MAC chestnut is the best. Okay, so I have like 3 beauty marks on my face, like one here, one here, one here. Next is put on some lip gloss. If you want to get like a lot of lip gloss that is cheap, go to NYX. Like NYX sells lip gloss for like $8 and stuff like that. And today I'm gonna be wearing, what's this, butter gloss shade in tiramisu. Fenty Beauty Universal Lip. This is everything. Then I go in with my Urban Decay Display. Let's see. This will be taking off the part, so I'm going to take a little bit of foundation, pat it down. I don't want to put too much. I see some parts came off, so I'm going to make sure I put that down. Now it's time to style my hair. Phase 2. First thing I do when I want to do my hair is I just spray water. Yeah. So that side is done. Now we're gonna do this side. So this side is wet, and now it's time to do this side. For shedding of this hair, see, this is from this side and this side. This is how much shedding I've got out of the hair. Like there's literally barely any shedding. Same thing, and make sure you're doing it in sections, because if you're doing it in a big ball, obviously there's going to be like a lot of shedding. I've been using this a lot, and what I do is I spray it on my hand. I like to spray the product on my hand, then put it on my hair, and then when I do that, I just scrunch it all over, but mostly in the front, because the front is where like it's been touched the most. So that's really where the curl defining is, and don't forget the bottom of the hair. Personally, I like to apply a wig shine, so I have my wig shine right here.
You like me now? How do you like me now? How do you like me now?
You know, I'm giving you guys. God, I really like this hair texture. It's just giving me a bit of an attitude. Like, who are you talking to? Like, who is she? So this is the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. If this is your first time on my channel, make sure you subscribe, like, and share. Hope to see you again the next time. And for my old supporters, what's up, hotties? I hope you had fun with this video. You already know the vibes, you know how we come in. Bangers all summer long. Go stupid, go crazy, and I'll see you back again in my next video. Peace.